What is non-standard insurance? Have you ever wondered what happens if you have a driving record that raises eyebrows? Non-standard insurance might be the answer you need. This type of insurance is tailored for drivers who are considered high risk by insurance companies. So, who falls into this category? Typically, it includes individuals with a history of accidents, multiple speeding tickets, or even driving under the influence convictions. Now, let's talk about the costs. Non-standard insurance policies usually come with higher premiums compared to standard policies. This is because insurance companies see these drivers as more likely to file claims. If you are a new driver, a young driver, or someone with a history of reckless driving, you may find yourself needing this type of coverage. When it comes to coverage options, non-standard insurance often provides at least the minimum required liability coverage. However, some policies may offer additional options like uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage, depending on the laws in your state. It is essential to check what is available to ensure you are adequately protected. Now, balancing coverage and cost is key. Non-standard insurance can be a necessary option for those who cannot get standard coverage. However, you should weigh the higher premiums against the level of coverage you need. Take a moment to assess your risk factors. If your driving record improves or other risk factors decrease, you might be able to switch to a standard policy with lower premiums in the future. When selecting a non-standard policy, consider any additional coverage options that might be necessary for your situation. For example, if you live in a state that requires personal injury protection, make sure this is included in your policy. Understanding the specific requirements and options available can help you make informed decisions about your car insurance coverage. In summary, non-standard insurance is designed for high-risk drivers and comes with higher costs. However, it can provide essential coverage when standard options are not available. Always remember to review your options and adjust your policy as your circumstances change.